Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to tell you how you can enhance the quality of your photo in InShot app. For that you need to ensure that you have the InShot app installed on your device. You need to open the app. Then you need to tap on the photo option on the main screen. Choose the picture you want to edit from your gallery. Crop the image to remove the unwanted parts. Use the tools. Provide to edit your picture. Now you need to go to filter. Apply filters to enhance your image. InShot will give you multiple options to choose the filter you want. Now you need to adjust manually. They will be giving you few options like brightness, contrast, saturation, and HCL. You need to adjust them. And that's it. You have successfully edited your photo. Now you can use this photo in your Instagram profile, in your YouTube, or wherever you want to use this. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel.